Alright YouTube, it should be a fun video here today. Going to be making some benches for out here at the farm. Just got my rip chain on here. Yeah, I know this 4-foot bar is way the hell overkill for the type of wood around here, but it's the only bar I have that has a rip chain, so let's get going here. Alright, well, as you can see, this turned out to be a really pretty log. Kind of ashamed to just use it for outdoor furniture, but yeah. Just going to set it over here on those two V's I notched out, and should make a nice bench for out here at the fire pit. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this little video here. Going to be doing some outdoor cooking today, so stay tuned here. I might take some video of that as I go along. I just kind of wanted some place to sit down while I kind of watch the fire here and keep my Dutch oven going.